Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the best, squishiest, homemade marshmallows you've ever had. And it'll put the store-bought ones to shame. This recipe will change your campfire nights forever. To start off, we're gonna add a half a cup of water to our stand mixer bowl, then add 2 packets or 14 grams of gelatin, and set this aside to bloom for 10 minutes. Now to a saucepan, add a half a cup of water, 1.5 cups of granulated white sugar, and finally 1 cup of light corn syrup. Then mix all this together. Now drop in your candy thermometer. Now heat this over medium heat until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. And don't worry, you don't have to sit over the stove stirring. Immediately once it's reached 240 degrees Fahrenheit, take it off the heat. Now to your stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, raise up your bowl and turn your stand mixer on low speed. Now slowly stream in your sugar liquid. When you finish streaming in your sugar, at this point, add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can add any artificial colors if you'd like. Turn your mixer on high and let it whip until it's light and airy. Now lightly oil an 8x8 container. Make sure you use any neutral oil and dust with powdered sugar. Now dump in your marshmallow. Now dust with a little bit more powdered sugar on top. Now let this sit on your counter for at least 4 hours or up to overnight. Okay, our marshmallow has been drying out overnight, roughly about 8 or 9 hours. So now we're gonna dump it out and cut it up. Before you dump out your marshmallow, sprinkle your surface with a little bit of powdered sugar. Now just dump out your marshmallow. Now cut your marshmallow into squares with a dusted knife. And now you'll be left with a perfect squishy marshmallow. Now you can either toast them up, or you can just eat it raw.